Hello all, my name is Krishnak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, yesterday I had uploaded a video regarding skills required for a data analyst in 2021 and how you can actually learn by self-study. I had created this entire GitHub link and I've just provided you all the YouTube playlist link, how you should basically go ahead with and what are the important skills. And if you remember guys, I had also created a video on a tracker sheet. If you're preparing data science from my playlist, you can actually use this particular tracker. And this tracker was actually created by one of my subscriber whose name was Akash. Now what I did is that yesterday, once I uploaded the data analyst video, many people told that Krish, please create similar kind of tracker, where you'll be able to track your learning based on the playlist that you have given over here. So that is the request I have actually taken today, and now here you'll be able to see all the playlist has been added. Along with that, if I try to see the overall total number of hours that you really need to learn to be good at all the skills, if I just show you over here, it is somewhere around 54.5. Okay, so 54.5 hours, and here these are all the skill sets for data analyst, and you can also track your entire learning from this tracker sheet now. Okay, now if I suppose I've given you all the playlist link over here. Okay, you just need to go and click over here and start learning over there itself. Suppose if I go with respect to independent sheet like Python, right? Now Python, these are all the tutorials that you really need to follow. Okay, here you can see 708 minutes. Okay, this is the entire Python playlist from my channel that you can actually learn from. And from the playlist over here, from the playlist sheet, you'll be able to get the Python link. Then go to stats, then go to Python EDA, then feature engineering. Before that, complete basics Excel and advanced Excel. Here also I have given the YouTube link. Okay, and you can see that number of videos are only 15. The time is this much, right? The overall number is 54.5 hours, right? By this, you'll be able to complete this entire thing, and you can use the other sheet just to track everything. Now, how this tracker works? Anyhow, I will be again giving you the link for the data science tracker also. Since many people was requesting this, I have again uploaded this link in my previous video also, but today in this video also I'll try to add it out. Now how you have to use this particular tracker? Suppose you are in the feature engineering part. Suppose you watch this first video. Okay, first of all you need to get the where is the playlist link. So go into the first sheet over here in the playlist section. Here you'll be able to see FE, feature engineering. Go and click this particular link. Suppose if I go and click this link, you'll be able to see, I'll open this over here and I will just open and come over here. Now suppose I'm seeing the first video. The first video is this one, feature engineering, how to perform one-hot encoding. Now go to my Excel sheet, okay, and go to feature engineering. This is the same first video. Once you complete it, just make sure that you track it and you just say in progress, completed. Suppose if I say completed, suppose I have completed the first 5 videos. Let's see. I've just completed the first 5 videos of watching it. And here all the materials, everything will be provided in the GitHub in that specific video itself in the description. Now if I go and I have marked this all 5 videos I completed. Now go to the playlist or go to the POA. Here you'll be able to see the tracking, right? So by this you can see that at least some videos you have actually completed. So this is entirely tracked, right? Similarly, if you go and now increase it or decrease it, like suppose if you say yet to start, yet to start, yet to start. Okay, let's go to the next one. Suppose I go to my advanced Excel. Suppose I am going to complete this advanced Excel because it is hardly 5 hours class. Okay, I'm saying completed, completed, completed. Okay, completed. Suppose I have completed all these things. If I want to showcase, and if I go and now see the POA, here you can see this one, right? The percentage of completion. So this will definitely give you some kind of confidence when you're seeing this kind of graphs and you're able to track all these things, right? In an amazing way. Everything you'll be able to see it. Everything you'll be able to track it. Okay. The order. Now many people will be confused at what order should I follow. For that, I've already created this GitHub link, right? First of all, go with basic Excel, advanced Excel. These are all the playlist link. Then SQL over here, Python programming language, stat lecture, Python EDA, Python feature engineering, Power BI and Tableau. All these sheets are there. See, Power BI, SQL, advanced Excel, FE, feature engineering, basic Excel, Python EDA, stats. Stats also you can see all the videos has been added from my playlist. All the links will be in this particular playlist itself. The entire playlist link will be given away and that's side the stats, right? So like this, if you just click it, you'll be able to open it over here. So by this way, definitely I think now I have like completely made it just 54.5 hours of entire content for you to learn with respect to data science. And this Power BI and Tableau, you can see that it is a community session. There many projects has also been done. Okay. And if you have some kind of gap or you require more experience, iNeuron is very soon going to come up with open internship. In open internship, you can pick up any domain based on the problem statement that is put up in the portal, go and solve it, complete it, how much time you are basically spending for that particular project, you'll also get the internship. It will be soon announced in just some time, in 3 to 4 days. It will be pretty much amazing. That is the initiative that we are coming up with. Okay. And it'll be pretty much amazing, trust me that, guys. Okay, so over here you can see everything is in order. You just need to follow this, go and update all your sheet, and automatically all the tracking will be happening over here, right? The percentage of the tracking. So this will now definitely help you to quickly learn data analyst part, because all the content is at one place, all the tracker sheet is in one place. Just utilize it and just try to complete it. So this was it from my side. I hope you like this particular video. Please make sure that you subscribe the channel, share this video with everyone, whoever finds difficulty in keeping a track of what are the things that they are learning. It will definitely be helpful. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day ahead. Thank you one and all. Bye bye.